Have a CTY file from SimCity? This is a saved city file from the classic city building simulation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to load and work with these SimCity city files for continued urban development. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier CTY file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. CTY files are city save files for SimCity, the classic city building simulation game by Maxis. They contain complete city data, including terrain features, zoning information, building placements, transportation networks, utility infrastructure, population data, and economic state, enabling players to save and resume urban development across multiple gameplay sessions. SimCity CTY files use a game-specific binary format, storing city data, including map terrain zone information, building placements, and simulation state. The format follows Maxis specifications for the original SimCity titles, enabling complete city-state preservation across save and load operations during city-building gameplay sessions. EA. Maxis defined Maxis SimCity 2000 as the application primarily intended for CTY. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows shows no usable preview for most game assets, so specialized software is required. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the CTY file and hit Open with Test Maxis SimCity 2000 if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your CTY file will not open yet, do not panic. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, loading in SimCity. Launch SimCity application and use the in-game load menu to access CTY save files. Place CTY files in the city's directory of your SimCity installation for automatic detection. The game restores complete city state, including all infrastructure, population, and economic conditions for continued urban planning. Next, running classic versions. Use DOSBox emulator or modern SimCity remasters to run older SimCity games on current systems. Configure DOSBox to mount the game directory and execute the original SimCity executable. Modern remasters may provide native support for legacy CTY files through built-in compatibility layers. Finally, sharing city files. Exchange CTY files with other SimCity players through community sites and forums to share interesting city designs. Recipients load shared cities to explore creative urban planning approaches. Document city features and design philosophy when sharing to provide context for fellow city building enthusiasts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.